In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy-paste a task template in Asana. If you've ever built a really solid task in Asana and wished you could reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch, this is exactly what you need. We're going to take an existing task that acts as a template and make an exact copy of it, including all the key details you choose to carry over. Start by opening your Asana project where your template lives. This could be any project where your team keeps recurring workflows. In the task list, look for the item you use as a template. Many teams label these clearly with the word template, so they're easy to spot at a glance. The goal is to duplicate this one, not to edit it, so the original stays clean and reusable for the future. When you found the template task, hover over it and click the three dots, or the More Actions menu, on that task. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, choose Duplicate Task. Duplicating is the fastest, safest way to reuse the same structure, so you don't risk overwriting your template by accident. Asana will show you a set of options you can include in your copy. You'll see toggles for subtasks, attachments, tags, and description. Select subtasks if your template includes a checklist or multi-step flow you want carried over. This is what preserves the full structure of the work. Choose attachments if your template has reference files, images, or documents that should travel with the copy. If you don't need extra files, you can leave this unchecked to keep the new task lighter. Keep tags on if you rely on them for reporting, filtering, or automation. They help the copied task slot into your existing organization, and include the description to bring over instructions, links, or context your team needs to execute consistently. Once you've chosen the items you want to include, click Create New Task. Asana will instantly generate a fresh copy of your template right in the project. You'll see it appear in the list, ready to use with the structure and details you selected. This approach gives you a reliable, repeatable starting point every time, while letting you decide how much detail you want to carry forward. That's all there is to it. Open your project, find your template task, use the three dots to duplicate it, choose what to include, and create the new task. With this simple workflow, you'll save time, keep consistency across your team, and avoid reinventing the wheel for recurring work.